Morning and Happy New Year. Gosh, I haven't been out to do a video for a long time. A little bit of imposter syndrome, if I'm honest. Anyway, it's beginning of January. It's frosty and cold. We haven't had the snow that lots of people have had in the country. But I just thought I need to come out for a walk. It's quite early. It's a Sunday morning. I haven't taken any proper photographs. I said proper in inverted commas. I'm not sure what a proper photograph is, but anyway, yeah. So today's probably not going to be much video. Probably not much talking either. As I say, yeah, I'm a little undecided about what to do with the channel, really. But anyway, today I'm going to take some photos, or I hope to, and I'll pop those up. And I hope that's okay. See you soon.